I'm spending all of my dough. I'm spending all of my cash. All this money that I ever had, I put that shit on my tab. 12 o'clock and I'm fucked up. Oh damn, I'm smashed. I got fine women and fine drinks, and I'm trying to make the shit last. It's Friday.
It's finally here after a long wait. Pokemon Let's Go Pikachu and Eevee is finally out, and I've managed to get my hands on the limited edition Nintendo Switch bundle, which comes with custom Joy-Cons, a custom dock, and the Pokeball Plus. And I thought I'd unbox it for you. I've actually been playing this for a few days now. This is sealed. I did get a different copy because I just want to add this to my collection. So I'm going to open it up, show you what you get inside, show you around the new limited edition Switch. And on the back here, you do get some nice art, some nice box art. So if you did want to keep this like on your shelf, so you can actually show people it when they come into your office or your room, that's actually quite nice that they add that. So let's open it up. I am excited. I've been waiting for this for a long time. I've played a handful of Pokemon games, but where I spent all my time was Pokemon Yellow and Pokemon Gold. So this is going to be a very nostalgic game for me, and I just can't wait. So let's open it up. Pikachu's looking fly. Oh, and oh my god. Okay, that's actually, I thought this controller was going to be a lot browner, but that is very, very nice. So this is like the Eevee colored Joy-Con here, which is quite nice. Oh boy, that is like, when I saw this come out, I was a little bit disappointed that the controllers didn't have like anything different. It was just a different color, but they do look very nice in person. Here is the Pikachu version, so that's what they look like there. No decals or nothing. If you've seen some of my other videos, you will have seen me pimp this Nintendo Switch. And to be honest, this is what Nintendo should have done. Something like this with like the back plate there. Admittedly, I do like the back plate on this one, but something like this on the controllers, even if it was Pikachu's face or Eevee's tail, a bit like what they've done here, that would have looked really cool. I think a lot more people would have appreciated that. But the colors are nice, and you're gonna know as soon as someone pulls these out that they are a Pikachu and Eevee fan. So let's put them to the side and look at the dock itself. The Switch, and oh, okay, wow. I am liking this. So this is the Nintendo Switch itself, and wow, okay, I take everything back. That looks absolutely amazing. That looks really cool. It's very minimalist, I dig it. You got some nice decals there of Pikachu and Eevee running around, having some fun. You got some Pokeballs on there as well. Nothing different on the front. Again, I would have liked something, or even like a screen protector like this one. This is actually the Zelda edition screen protector, which looks quite nice, but something around here like they did with the Pokemon edition Game Boy back in the day, where they had like a little decal on the front screen. But this is incredibly nice. I am digging the back of that. I actually probably prefer it to that back plate because it's so like minimalist. Okay, that's nice. Let me put that to the side. I need to keep it all in good nick because I'm chucking this into my collection. Okay, so I can already see the Pokeball Plus here. Hello. Now, I've actually played on this, or a Pokeball Plus in the office, and look at that. That is so cool. It's got a bit of weight to it as well. The only problem I have with it is that you can't take off the lanyard here. That is like embedded into the, is that USB-C? Is that USB-C? I think that might be USB-C. Very nice. Good job, Nintendo. And this is great. The good thing with Pokemon Let's Go is that you can play it with one hand, using the Pokeball or a Joy-Con. It's really easy to use, and this is actually very well made. It's got a bit of weight to it. Allows you to play around with it, throw it around, catching a Pokemon using the accelerometer inside. That's nice. I'm digging that. There's the Pokeball Plus. We'll get a closer look at that in a minute. You get, is there anything decent with this? Different, sorry. Nope, so you get your original controller there to attach in your Joy-Cons. Nothing different with this from what I can see. Pretty original. You get your cable, so what's this here? This is your HDMI cable, your power adapter, and that is your Pokeball Plus charger, and yes, that is USB-C. Good job, Nintendo. Appreciate you doing that. And you get your lanyards for your Joy-Cons here. So here is the... wait, so this goes... Oh, okay. I like that. Mixing it up a little. That looks cool. And then you should have the Eevee one. I'm an idiot. It goes like that. There we go. I'm such a fool. So that's what it looks like there. I'm digging that. Okay. That makes it look a lot better, actually. Like it. Dig it. Okay, anything else? The dock, obviously, we want to take a look at is in here. So we'll pull this box to the side. And again, I'm really liking that box. For you collectors that like to show off the box in your room and stuff, that's going to look really cool. All right, let's pull this out. Hello. Okay. So there you have it. That is what the dock looks like there. You got Pikachu on the right, chilling out with Eevee. Don't know if you can see that. Look at that. That is awesome. So like, Nintendo are starting to do this now with like the little decals on the front, and personally I think they could have done a lot more. Like, this looks cool. This will look absolutely awesome like in front of your TV or in your docking station, wherever you put all of your game systems. It will look nice, I'm not gonna lie, but I think they could have done more. Like the Joy-Cons with these with the lanyards on actually look quite cool, but I really think they could have done something a bit better with the dock. Even if it was like full colored, or you had you know, a really nice illustration on there, but it literally is just it's not a sticker, it's a decal. But you know, I wish they could have done better with that. So let's chuck these on and see what the actual Switch looks like with it all attached. Now, I haven't seen this combo before with my own eyes, so I'm very intrigued. And then we'll chuck this on here, and that, oh, whoops, and that is what it will look like. And then we just take a flip on the back. All right, that's pretty cool. I'm digging that. You could probably see that there. That is looking real nice. Damn, I don't know why I'm liking it so much now. I'm liking that little combo. And then the back of the decals, it's nice if we chuck it on the Switch here. You probably can't see. I'll do it on the main camera. This is what it will look like. Pow! That is what it will look like wherever you dock it. That's looking cool. So obviously the colors match with the Pikachu and Eevee there on the front decal. All right, and then you have the Pokeball Plus here, which, as you know, I think contains a Mew as well, so you can get a Mew in game. Plus it allows you to take your Pokemon out with you, play with it when you're not with your Switch. Plus it just gives you a whole new way to play Pokemon Let's Go while chucking it around and actually feeling like you're a Pokemon master. So that's really cool. I've played around with that quite a bit as well. You know, at first, I wasn't too keen on it, but now it's definitely growing on me. I wish they did something a little bit better with the dock, you know, maybe a bit more color, and maybe some, I don't know, indentation on the Joy-Cons with like a Pikachu tail, or like something like this, you know, something like that on the Joy-Cons would have been nice. The backplate on this one is probably a bit too much, but I'm digging the Pokeballs on the back as well. But, you know, Nintendo can do this, but they just, I don't know, they just don't want to at the moment. But I can see Nintendo doing a lot more with the actual backplates now. So we could see that in the future as well. So there you have it, guys. A quick unboxing of the Pokemon Let's Go limited edition Switch here, which I'll be adding to my collection. And I'm digging the game so far. Like, I've got it on here. Don't know if you can see this, probably not. But, you know, it's just a really cool game that's really laid back, and it's very nostalgic as well. Like the Pokemon I've got at the moment, I'll show you my party. I've got Pikachu, Charmeleon, I've got a Mankey, I'm a big fan of Primeape, so I want to evolve him. I've got a War Turtle, and again, big fan of Blastoise, and I've got a Nidorina that I want to evolve into a Nidoking, but I need to get a Moonstone. And obviously, Diglett is a must. So there you have it. There is an unboxing of the limited edition Let's Go Pikachu and Eevee Edition Nintendo Switch. As per usual, guys, I want to get into these unboxings a bit more, so definitely hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed it, and I'll hopefully get in some more limited edition Switch stuff in the near future. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.
And I'm fucked up. Oh damn, I'm smashed. I got fine women and fine drinks, and I'm trying to make the shit last. It's Friday. Thank God.